Well, hello and welcome to this week's show. I'm Sarah Janes from Soap School, and today I thought we'd show you how to make some simple soap leaves. So the first thing we have is just a simple or standard melt and pour soap. This is one that we've made ourselves, but you can literally just buy one from your regular craft stores or one of your soap making supplies companies. It might even be that you've got a little bit left over from an existing craft kit. And all we need to do is chop that into small cubes and melt this down on a medium heat in a microwave or in a bain-marie. So just like you'd melt chocolate, it just needs a low heat. And now we're ready for just microwaving this down in a heat-proof jug. And we'll just give this a couple of minutes until it's all melted. So now we've melted our glycerin soap base, I'm going to add in a fragrance oil. You can use essential oils and then give that a good mixing. And then all we're going to do is just dip these beautiful leaves. Now these were just purchased at the local craft shop. It's something that I'm sure you'd be able to get something similar. If you can't find it locally, you'll definitely be able to get some online. Wow, they look so pretty. So what I'm going to do is just take one of the leaves, hold it just on one of the points, and then dip it into the soap, fully dip it down, and let most of the soap run off. Give it a little wiggle, and then we're just going to lay that on this baking tray. And then take the next one, and we're going to repeat this with all of them. Just give it a wiggle. Shake off most of that excess and then lay it down. I'm going to do this with all of them. These really don't take very long at all to make. And this is something that you can do with the children too. Now you'll notice I'm dipping them in with my hands. There is another way that you can do this, and especially if you're ever going to do these in bulk, you can actually just stick the whole lot into the container and then just use a pair of tongs or tweezers to pull them back out again. And these colours are just so beautiful. What's your favourite thing about autumn? Let me know in the comments. Is it the weather being a little bit cooler? Is it all of the beautiful harvest ingredients that are coming out? Is it that you know that Christmas is around the corner and you're getting all excited, ready for Christmas? I'd love to hear. Don't they look beautiful? Obviously you can do as many as you want to, but these are just going to look gorgeous. And each one of these is going to turn into a hand soap. They look beautiful just on a little dish at the side of your sink in a guest bathroom. You can pop them into your handbag and take them out with you, and those are going to look absolutely stunning. And these will make a perfect fall gift for somebody as well. Look how beautiful they are. Now to finish your soaps, all we need to do is just literally peel them off from the tray, and they literally should just peel off really, really nicely.